Hey, this is Brian Sullivan down at Cape Cod Harley. It's been a while since I did a video, so today we're going to go over a 2019 Road Glide Special with tons of upgrades available here on our showroom floor at Cape Cod Harley in Pocasset. Let me show you those upgrades. The 2019 Road Glide Special in all black is amazing. Take a look at the beauty. Featuring the CVO seat and the CVO pylon, which are two seats actually. So you have a solo and a double. Here you can see the low engine guard and the spoiler kit in all black. Really makes the Road Glide stand out from every other bike. That's also featured on the CVO models for 2019 as well. Also included here, you can see the Midframe Air Deflectors in black, in addition to the Chizeled Handlebars. Look at those amazing things with custom grips. All on the 2019 Road Glide Special here on the showroom floor at Cape Cod Harley-Davidson. Come on down, take a look, take a ride. We are located conveniently at 750 MacArthur Boulevard in Pocasset. Our number here is 508-563-7387. Ask for Brian in sales or Chuck in sales, and we'll be glad to take care of anything you need.